I spent everything that I had. If it's your first time here, this is Fairway Flips, and we're trying to go from $10 to $500 in under 10 hours of work during the golf off season. I had some time this weekend and I decided I was emptying the flip jar. It started with the one putter that I was interested in, and to make it as time efficient as possible, I searched that area for anything that was interesting and that I could afford with the $158 that we had in the flip jar. So first one, Odyssey Versa putter in great shape with a brand new Golf Pride grip. You can tell this was mirror shine, so this is what we're going to try to do today. To be as time efficient as possible, I will be taping the lettering, so this area will not be mirror shine, but I'm hoping that it's going to look like it was designed this way. This putter was posted for $50. I tried to negotiate it down to $40. Unfortunately, I did not win that negotiation, so I bought this for $50. Second stop, I bought two from the same seller. First one, this Wilson Alignment 1000 putter. This is painted. I'm gonna try to mirror shine the sole. Second one from this same seller, a Ping Yblade. Very popular. This is not one of the most valuable Ping bronze putters, but I still think I can bring this putter up to about $60 to $70. And considering the seller sold me these two for $35, I think we're good. My last stop is another Ping putter, but this time a Ping Anser 5 bronze putter. Now this is much more valuable than the previous one. The seller posted this one for $60, but I brought it down to $50. Then this is when I made an impulse buy. The guy selling the last Ping putter had an old vintage set. He asked me if I wanted to see it. I wasn't interested. He went and got it anyways, and then he showed it to me. He was selling it for $20, and that was what I had left in my pocket. So I was like, hey, you know what? Might as well. So I bought for $20 a vintage set of Rams rod curl tournaments. And look at how in a good shape they are. So I figured, you know what? I don't have much work to do on these. Maybe a little bit of rust, a little bit of shining to do. But I figured that even though the profit margin would not be very high, I think I'm going to sell this probably for $30 or $40. If I only spend 5-10 minutes on it, it's still worth it. So I bought a full set of irons, 3 to 9, with the pitching wedge and useless, worthless woods. It wasn't on my way to work, so unfortunately I had to start the countdown clock again, and I've spent 28 minutes on this shopping spree. It doesn't seem like much. Also, golf season is starting in 3 weeks, but I'm not as stressed as I was last week because we currently have the Spalding tournaments for $65, the Wilson Woods for $15, the Cobra Woods for $30, the Northwestern Putter for $15, and of course the leftovers that I'm going to sell in a bundle for $15, for a total of $140 currently posted. And now I'm not sure how these new clubs are going to end up looking like, so stick around because we're going to go to the Shining Shack and evaluate how much we're going to make on these. talk about the 2 ping putters. I can hear some of you screaming while I was buffing this ping putter. This is not the ping Karsten collectible that you often see on eBay. It's the ping Yblade. It's worth much less. So this is why I decided to have some fun. But the impeccable ping Anser 5. I have rarely seen a ping Karsten putter in that state. So this one, we're not touching. I have spent 1 hour, 14 minutes, and 28 seconds, leaving us with 2 hours, 38 minutes, and 1 second. But we have online $140 worth of ads. We have the Odyssey Versa putter that I'm gonna try at 130, hoping to get maybe 110, 150. We have the Wilson Alignment 1000. We're gonna post this for 110, but I'm hoping to get 80 for it. Now the pings, the ping Yblade, we're gonna try at 80, hoping to get 60. The ping Anser 5, that we're gonna post at 140 and see what happens. And finally, the Ram iron set with the woods that we're gonna try at 40, and I don't think I'm gonna get much more than 20 or 30 for them. We have 2 hours, 38 minutes, and 1 second left on the clock of this challenge. We have online clubs worth $140 waiting to be sold, and we will post tonight, if I'm being realistic, for $420 in club, for a total of $560. There's not much time left on the clock, but if everything posted sells, this challenge is done. So stick around, because next episode, we'll figure out if this worked out or not. See you next time.